Hey guys, Darren's here, and today's video we're going to be talking about, well, first of all let me say, this camera being small, it's just something different, it's just something I'm trying, something I'm going with. Anyway, so, back on topic, what we're going to be talking about today is, well, your camera, your phone camera to be precise, and maybe you want a second camera, maybe you've already got a camera, maybe you just want a different angle for your stream. You know, there's some cool unique angles you can do. I personally, for a second camera, I've had a second camera inside my stream PC because it's full of RGB light, so I stuck my second camera in there and I'd switch between them, or on my just chatting screen I'd have a second camera, right? And it'd be inside the PC and it'd be like a nice light show going off. At the moment my second camera is over here behind me, so it's like a different angle in the room. I'll show you what it looks like in a minute. Or maybe you don't have a camera and you're starting streaming and you haven't got the money yet, or you don't want to spend the money yet on a camera. Well, here's how you can use your phone as a second camera or as your main camera. I mean, you might already have a camera. Phones nowadays have got pretty good camera quality. Maybe your phone might have better quality than the camera you own. I don't know. That's for you to decide. But we're going to jump straight into it. So what we're going to do is, first off, I'm going to show you now. I'm going to go to my just chatting screen that I have. And this is what my second camera looks like. Here it is, second camera, and as you can see, it's fine, you know, in sync and everything, you know. 1, 2, 3, in sync, and the camera quality is pretty good. So we're going to get into it. I will have links to the things, the website, the things, my bad. Now, as you can see on the top left here, that's my capture card on PC. I'm going to show you how, what you need, what app you need to get, how, you know, how to set it all up and that. We're going to go over that, and we're going to go over it right now. So let's jump straight into it. So here we're on the computer now. What you want to do is, you want to go on your phone, you want to go on your mobile device, and you want to go on the Play Store. You want to search DroidCam. That is the app we're going to be using. And there's two versions. I'll quickly go over them. You got your Pro, which costs £3.99p, around about $5, and you got the free version. Differences, main differences, in the Pro version you can do higher quality video, HD, and there's an extra few settings you can use, like rotate your camera and stuff. Say you got your camera positioned here and that's where you want it mounted, but when you open it on OBS it's upside down. You can flip it. That's some of the features to the Pro version. Now, phone's just locked. Right, while we're talking, I will install the free version. We're only using the free version in this. I would recommend the Pro version. It is worth it. It's not that expensive. Right, you just downloaded that, you just installed it. Now you want to go to the website dev47apps.com. I'll have the link down below so you can click on it. So you come here and then you want to download the client for Windows or Linux, whatever you choose. So click there, click the download button. Straightforward. I've already got it installed. There is no setup. Just install it. Next. Choose where you want to install it. Done. That's it. You're done. Okay. If you've got any questions that I don't answer, I don't go over, you can click on the FAQ and there's some stuff here. It'll also go over how to connect through your Wi-Fi. We're not doing it through Wi-Fi, we're doing it through USB. Reason I'm doing it through USB is when I did it through Wi-Fi when I first got this program about a year ago, the Wi-Fi, I've got good Wi-Fi, good internet. Wi-Fi, the quality of the camera wasn't as good and there's a bit of a delay. So I went to wired and it works a lot better. So if you can afford to have it wired, do it. It's just better than using your Wi-Fi, and you know, depending on your Wi-Fi, it's better. And plus, if you're streaming and then you're using that for Wi-Fi, it's just eating up more of your Wi-Fi. So do it wired if you can. Pardon me for coughing. I can feel it coming. Right, so download it, click download button, install it, and we'll just leave that for there for a minute. Now go back to your phone, open it up, click next. Now this here is telling you how to connect it through Wi-Fi, and it is going over, you know, the website where to, you know, get it from. It's telling you here about you know, we just click got it, and we want to give it permissions. This is what we'll be faced with. Now, if you open the app on your PC, it will ask you for your device IP. Your device IP is right there on the app on your phone, so you just type that in, put that in there, type in your CAN port, you're good to go. We're doing it through wired though. Now, it's not going to work through the wire straight away. If you just try and do this now and you're like, okay, I know how to do it, it's not going to work. You need to enable USB debugging mode on your phone. Now to do this, you need to be in developer mode on your phone. Now to do that, it's quite simple. I've already got developer mode enabled, but I can show you how to do it. You go on your phone, any phone, you want to go down to about, and it'll be somewhere in about. Maybe you have to click something else. It's different on Samsung phone. The second camera I use, it's in about phone, but then I have to click on something else to get to this bit. You want to find your build number, and you want to keep tapping it multiple times, and then it'll ask you to type in your PIN. As for me, as you can see, you are already a developer. So just keep tapping that, type in your PIN, then you got developer options, and it'll be somewhere in your settings. It's different for different devices. On this phone, on the Hawaii, it's in system and update. On a Samsung, it's below about phone. Now, so I need to go developer. You want to find it. There it is, developer options, and you want to enable USB debugging. Right there, I've already got it enabled. Now, once you've done that, then go to the app on your phone. There you go. Now, before we jump straight into it and enable it, there's a few settings on your phone you might want to look at. Pro version, more settings, as I've said. But you can, on here, you can choose if you want to have the microphone on and limit FPS to save battery. But you can also, where is it? Select camera. You can choose your front or your back camera, depends which one you want to use. Back's better, so you probably want to use your back. So there we go. I will use back. Now, they're going to connect. So you got USB debugging mode on. Click refresh. Wait for your device to pop up. Not responding. Ah, there we go. And click start. Now all these settings here, as you can see, Droid Cam X Pro controls. So you can zoom in. You got autofocus. You can turn on your torch, and that is mirror if you want the image to be, and then that will rotate. So, you know, for £4, $5, it's worth it. Now, this is what it's like. Now, you want to know how to get this in OBS, don't you? So let me show you. You want to click this button right here, and you want to pop out your camera. Now, as you can see, quality isn't great. Now, if you want better quality, get the Pro version. And what you need to do to make the quality better when you got the Pro version is stop this. Click up here because you can't do it when you've got it running. Click HD mode. Start your computer. Then it'll be in HD mode and it'll be better quality. So we're going to start. Wait for the little box to pop up. Then we'll click start. There we go. So to get it in OBS, pop it out. Now, open OBS. You want a Windows capture. So there we go, make one. And you want Droid Cam, this. And there you go. One thing I will help you with now. I'm going to stretch this out. I'm just going to plonk my phone there. There you go. Okay. Now, pardon me. You might be thinking, well, I don't want that white border. That's horrible. That's ugly. I don't want that to be there when I'm streaming. Well, that's fine. That's fine. It's fine. So, what we're going to do is we're going to click on the Windows capture. And we're going to not click on it. My bad. We're going to right click. We're going to click filters. We're going to add a filter. And we're going to add crop/pad. Click that. Now, if the white box is on the top for you, or if it's on the bottom, then you want to do top and bottom. As mine is on the sides, we're going to do sides. So let's go left and right, and let's just keep going up and up and up until white line's gone. Now let's do right. Actually, we'll put it on the same number, 30, and good to go. Close. Look at that. Look at that. Perfect. Now I'll be right back. You can see what this is like here. You can see what the quality is like. You can see what the power is like. We are going to jump right back. I'll be back in a minute. I'm going to go install the Pro and show you what the quality is like if you have HD. Okay, so give me 1 minute and we'll be back. As you can see, computers are starting. I'll be back in a minute. I just wanted to say, if you like the video, I greatly appreciate if you hit the like button. It means a lot and it really helps the channel and the videos get out there in people's feed. So if you like the video or it's helped you in any way, then I greatly hit that like button. And I'll see you in a minute when back on. Oh, if you're wondering why the computer started, that's because I've got the Pro version installed now, and to enable HD, you have to start your computer. So, back in a minute. Hey guys, so we're here now. I just need to share my phone screen with you. So give me a minute. Alright, there we are then, guys. So, let's go to this. As you can see, it already looks different. We've got extra settings here now. We can take a screenshot with this right here at the bottom. This is our white balance, and we've got other settings we can change, and exposure lock. Also, here we have all these options now. So, say my camera. There we go. Let's put my camera like that. Let's pop this out. Say the camera was upside down. There we go, flip it. Want to mirror myself so I'm the other way? There we go. Autofocus. Want the flashlight on? There you go. Want to zoom in? There you go. Simple as that. Simple as that. Now, as you can see, the quality is better. If you just skip back like a minute or two, when you'll see the quality difference now. So, now we need to go to the video capture filters. Nope. Window capture, and we need to go filters. And let's put that on 0, 0. Now we want the top. Let's keep going up, maybe about 50. Oh, there we go. 46. No, 45 will do it. There you go. Now, if you go back, alright, I can probably autofocus that a bit better. There you go. Camera quality now is better. If you skip back, you'll notice camera quality is better now. And that's because we're in HD mode. There we are. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it helped. And I hope now you've got a camera for your stream if you didn't have one already. And yeah, I greatly appreciate it if you do hit that like button. It means a lot and it helps the channel. If you want to see more content like this or more content relative to this, and hit the subscribe button. But don't forget, press that bell icon so you get notified when a new video comes out. Alright guys, that is it for the video. You all take care. As always, I wish you the best luck with streaming and content creation. And I'll catch you next time in the next video. Peace out guys.